Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1. Queshark Pro Reflective Elastic Waistband Sport Bag Double Zipper Pocket Running Gym Yoga Waist Belt Pack Phone Weighted Wallet Bag, an excellent belt. My Samsung S22 Ultra fit in pocket without problems. Separate pocket for money and cards. The inscription on the front side to glow when light hits it in the dark. The belt itself is elastic, the Velcro is very comfortable along the entire length. Thanks to the seller. Size, L model number, BB014 material, polyester gender, unisex application position, waist brand name, KUULAA origin, mainland China ASEAN, Guangdong suitable, cycling camping gym yoga hiking fishing jogging marathon traveling feature, mobile phone weighted pack pouch wallet with keychain. Number 2. Plaking lightweight backpack ultralight packable foldable rucksacks outdoor travel hiking kids small day pack mini bag. Customer service, if you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to solve your problem as soon as possible. Multifunctional bag, can be used as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, travel bag, casual backpack, work bag, business bag, etc. It is very suitable for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, traveling, fishing, etc. Lightweight, the backpack is made of lightweight and durable nylon material, which can be easily folded into a small size for easy carrying. Number 3. Thron Portable Mini Heat Press Machine T-shirts Printing DIY Easy Heating Transfer Iron on HTV for clothes bags hats pads. Thron Heat Press Machine is perfect for all heat transfer projects, which has a bigger heating plate 2.6 foot x 4.4 than others. Larger sizes will heat more evenly and can save your time. It's suitable for personalized patterns on the surface of t-shirts printing, clothing, hats, handbags, masks, socks, etc. Enjoy the fun of making Number 4. iCanzuo Cordless Air Duster Electric Air Blower Computer Keyboard Cleaning Rechargeable Handheld Computer Duster Cleaner. iCanzuo compressed air blows immediate and continuous high-pressure air to clean dust debris and dirt away from any electronic device in your home or office. iCanzuo with 2 extra nozzle attachments making it an easily maneuverable versatile device. It can be used for any of your expensive electronic devices such as your computer, keyboard, laptop, copy machine, medical equipment, camera, etc. iCanzuo built-in large rechargeable 8000 mAh lithium battery allow this electric air duster to run continuously for nearly 30 minutes. And with a weight of only 0.88 pounds easy to use and allows you to maneuver around easily. Number 5. 6PCS Zipper Repair Kit Universal Instant Zipper Repair Replacement Zipper Sliding Teeth Rescue Zipper Head for 3 different size. I found the replacement zipper sliders work very well if they are installed correctly. With these screw-type sliders there is no need to take the zipper apart to install a fixed slider. Make sure the zipper is flat and you have selected the right size slider. Loosen the screw so you can open the slider so both sides of the zipper fit inside. With both sides of the zipper inside the slider, tighten the screw to lock the slider in place. So far I have replaced 2 broken sliders that easily open and close the zippers. Number 6. 18-in-1 Foldable Water Pipe Wrench Double-End Basin Bottom Pliers Sleeve Bathroom Faucet Sink Installation and Maintenance Tool. Faucet installer is suitable for supply nuts, shut-off valves, strainer baskets, supply line nut, faucet nuts. The open slot allows for easy access to existing supply lines, such as faucets, sink, water heater pipes, water basins, and so on. 2. Extra long design makes it easier to turn hard-to-reach mounting nuts on faucets, sprayers, and ball cocks. Just snap the position and rotate quickly, then replace the nut installed from the faucet. 3. This multi-purpose wrench tool is indispensable in replacing an ordinary wrench in virtually every situation as it fit into that tight area with ease. And the faucet wrench allows easy access over existing supply lines so that you will work sitting down outside of the cabinet. Number 7. Magnetic Kitchen Timer Mechanical Alarm Clock Timer Retro Stainless Steel Time Cooking Food Tools Home Countdown Gadget Timer. Reasons to buy Stainless Steel Mechanical Alarm. The magnetic kitchen timer is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and corrosion resistant. It can be used for a long time. Cooking timer countdown clock. The kitchen timer has a digital display that displays time, countdown, and total countdown. You can also use it as a cooking timer for your family or friends. Guaranteed quality. We are committed to providing customers with quality products and a good shopping experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Number 8. Travel Razor Mini USB Type-C Smartphone Shaving for Men Electric Shaver Outdoor Portable Electric Shaver Safe Shaving Device. Mobile phone or power bank can supply power to it directly, no more bothered the electric shaver out of power. Electric razor is plug and play, help you fast solve the beard problem. It's ideal for travel, driving and business activity with its automatic worldwide voltage. You can bring the portable travel shaver anywhere. Magnetic suction, unique features, 360-degree closing technology, instant disassembly, prevent beard from falling out and easy to clean. Precision blade technology and double ring plate net can be used to protect the skin from scratches. Number 9. Hot USB Enter Key Vent Pillow Soft Computer Button Return Key for Office's Decompression Pillow Anti-Stress Relief Toy Wholesale. Features: 1. Soft Enter Key Pillow can help you noon break. 2. With USB interface can be connected with computer. 3. Cushion cover has an invisible zipper and all seams have been overlocked so it's easy to wash it. Description: durable and easy to look after, a good gift for your friend or a good choice for your collection. Specifications: color, black material, sponge and polyester size, 240,200 mm package included, 1x large enter key type, USB adapter origin, mainland China certification, and ONI color, sponge and polyester size, 240200 mm. Number 10. Automatic disposable shoe cover waterproof overshoes dispenser portable hand-free machine for home, office, supermarket, factory. Our shoe covers are disposable plastic waterproof shoe covers for indoors. It is suitable for most types of shoes. Shoe cover dispenser size is 16.8 x 8.9 x 5.3 inch and the internal length is 13.3 inch. Widely used for home, office, lab, supermarket and so on. Perfect for use by companies that need to have shoe covers available for workers and guests. It is designed to be used at the doorway. Simply place it on the ground on front of the door to start using. Our shoe cover dispenser is hand-free and fast, get it done in only 2 steps. Our shoe cover machine works by mechanical spring. When you stand on the center of the machine, it will automatically release as a waterproof disposable plastic shoe cover onto your shoe, save your valuable time, energy saving, and easy friendly. No battery or power cord needed. Number 11. USB rechargeable laser acupuncture pen 3 heads electronic meridian energy massage pen body massager therapy muscle stimulator. Intelligently acupoints finding according to the low resistance feature of the meridians, the acupuncture pen find body acupoints through precise detection technology. Adjustable gears 9 pulse rate settings, you can adjust freely according to your need. An LCD screen displays its working status. Replaceable heads different massage heads aim at different body parts and offer different pulse intensity experience for more personal using. Acupuncture massage with microbial electricity penetrating the epidermal tissue, the acupuncture pen stimulates acupoints in superficial part. An efficient acupuncture pulse electrotherapy ensures scientific acupuncture experience that is painless and non-invasive. Number 12. Stainless steel pineapple peeler cutter fruit knife slicer a spiral pineapple cutting machine easy to use kitchen cooking tools. 1. Using high quality materials, durable and eco-friendly. 2. The sawtooth neatly arranged, do not cut the hands. 3. Ergonomic handle design, non-slip and easy to grip. 4. Pineapple peeler will peel, core, and slice a fresh pineapple in 30 seconds. 5. Removes perfectly formed rings while leaving the core in the shell. 6. We guarantee that the components of this item are all in good condition. Description: fast and simple peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple in seconds. Excellent quality made from durable, stylish stainless steel with a medium-sized blade. Slice as you prefer, create one slice at a time or cut up the whole fruit at once. Specifications: type, fruit and vegetable tools. Feature, eco-friendly usage, pineapple slicers, pineapple cutter. Category, kitchen tools, kitchen accessories. Material, stainless steel plus ABS. Size, 83.7 by 83.7 by 245 millimeters. Number 13. Greener Multifunction Tool Bag 1680D Oxford Cloth Electrician Bag, Multi-Pocket Waterproof Anti-Fall Storage Bag Toolkit. Buyer says, well-made product. Strongly recommend to others. In general, everything is bad. Delivery for a long time, the product is good, the Acrobot is dented, your relationship has become bad. One product has been waiting for 2 months, and at the beginning everything was fine. If there is such an attitude, you have to leave now. A lot of people like Aliexpress and everything comes today. Number 14. Hoto-Li-ion Electric Screwdriver, Light Power Screwdrivers, Portable Repair Home Tools. 3.6V Battery to Cordless Screwdriver Set DIY. The narrowest part for holding it is only 34 mm wide. Ideal for use door, all hand-sized. With a durable built-in 150 mAh lithium battery, it can tighten more than 200 screws when it's fully charged. LTS all-in-one outer shell is smooth and creatively screw-free. Made of high-quality engineering plastic, the main body is light and durable. Number 15. Kitchen Container 5 kg 10 kg Bucket Nano Insect-Proof Moisture-Proof Rice Box Grain Seal Jar Home Storage Pet Dog Food Store Box. The product is how it was described. I already bought the smaller one and that is why I bought this one. However, this one doesn't close well. It is of no use to put food like rice in it, as bugs can get in there. Ordered one container, but it was damaged during delivery. Opened a dispute, the seller offered to send a new one provided I closed the dispute. The new container came in one. The seller is honest, I recommend. Number 16. Mini USB Fridge Cooler Beverage Drink Cans Cooler Warmer Refrigerator for Laptop PC Computer Black Red. Keep your beverage chilled and stay at your computer laptop longer by your side too. Just minutes after plugging in the USB fridge, the cold plater chills to the perfect temperature for helping keep your beverage cool. 3. It can reach 6080 degrees Celsius when heating and 810 degree when cooling for only 5 minutes to bring the fridge down to 8 degrees Celsius. 5. Mini size, stylish design, easy to carry. 6. Easy installation, no driver required, plug and play. 7. Powered by USB cable with a switch to change the two functions heating and cooling, no batteries required. 8. Compatible with all platforms. Number 17. Rojiko Cat Water Fountain Automatic Pet Water Dispenser Pet Smart Drinker for Cat's Auto Sensor Cat Drinking Fountain Accessories. The unique replaceable design filter can effectively filtrate the hair, odor, and chlorine. Consequently, the fountain can give cleaner water to pets and reduce the risk of developing illness. Charcoal filter helps remove which absorbs odors and bad taste. The unique design silent pump is deployed with customized suction cup to diminish the noise to a minimum. Pet fountain is made of food-grade PC material, eco-friendly, non-toxic, odorless and durable. Simple quick-release structure is designed for easy removal and cleaning. Number 18. Manual 1L Soda Siphon CO2 Dispenser Water Bubble Generator Cool Drink Cocktail Soda Machine Aluminum Bar DIY Soda Maker. Delivery to Balakovo fast 4 days. The siphon is made with high quality, heavy on the weight in the hands, made with thick aluminum. After refueling, nothing flows and does not drip. Thanks to the seller for the product and not expensive material, stainless steel model number, capacity off work bowl, 1L accessories, other certification, CE function, other voltage, other power, other brand name, Chia's origin, mainland China. Number 19. Liquid Soap Dispensers Automatic Wall-Mounted Rechargeable Hand Washing Washer Foam Soap Dispenser Hand Sanitizer Machine. Just place your hand gently on the switch for 1 to 2 seconds to boot. No need to press hard. The hand sanitizer must be foam hand sanitizer. Other hand sanitizers are not available, otherwise, the pipeline will be blocked, making the machine unusable. Please check carefully before order. The temperature is displayed as indoor temperature, which cannot fully represent the outdoor temperature of the day. The temperature value is for reference only. Number 20. 2-in-1 LED Electric 3000V Mosquito Swatter USB Rechargeable Anti-Fly Bug Zapper Killer Trap Insect Racket Pest Control Product. Built-in 368mm ultraviolet light LED lamp beads can be used as a mosquito killer. When the mosquito trap mode is turned on at night, this design that is particularly sensitive to mosquitoes will stimulate the phototaxis instinct of mosquitoes and attract mosquitoes to fly to high-voltage electric beats. At the same time, it can be charged by USB, and the night mosquito trap mode can be turned on while charging. Operation mode, night mosquito control mode, place on the base to connect to charge, push the function switch to number 2.